Team 1, we're moving the last victim right now into the base. Y'all watch out, he's coming back up. Brandon, come on.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Yeah, me either.
Okay.
All right.
You guys ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Go. Clear. Go. Clear.
Clear.
Watch the left side.
Clear.
Okay, let him go through.
You got to secure it. Go through. Clear.
Clear.
Clear. Check the final hallway. Clear. Human.
At the box. Check right. Left right. Check right. Left right. Stay clear if it's clear.
Clear.
Okay. Well, we have to go down there.
Me and you finish clearing.
Okay.
Y'all go that way, we'll finish it. Or not.
Let's go, Brandon.
Okay, let's take the other one.
Clear.
Oh. Hard. Hard right?
Clear. Clear.
There. And that was sealed, I think. Got the look. We'll have caution on the other side of that.
There's one last thing on the right.
Yep, they had caution, so I couldn't take it there. Women's bathroom.
Clear.
That's clear. Okay, women's bathroom. Clear. Try to get this picture here.
Watch out, there's somebody coming up here. Watch out, Ray. Take your shot if you can.
Contact!
Contact! Straight down the hole.
Go, pull back!
You're hit. No arm.
Good.
Yeah, no, I got my left arm right there.
Yannick, pop back. Pop in.
That's the hit. Oh.
Arm's gone.
Yeah, I gotta switch arms. Like that was.
Where they at? Oh.
Hey, we're behind the RV. Ren, you should have took your shot faster.
Ricochets don't count if you got hit by a ricochet. You hear me?
I don't know. There were just shots coming in.
Ricochets don't count.
So that one was a headshot on me. So the other one was a ricochet. But
You think I can make it back? Because I can't do anything right now.
here, I'm gonna put some fire out the door so you guys can pull back. But I'm doing this one-handed. So
Okay, I'm doing it.
I can do it. I can do it if you get low, Yannick. I can give the cover. Ready? Go.
Okay.
I mean,
Okay.
you're standing in the middle of the hall.
okay, someone light some fire so I can pull back a little bit. I'm wounded.
Oh. There ain't nobody behind the RV.
All right, go.
Okay, let's go.
Let's scoot right. Come on.
Go.
Go. All I can shoot is left hand.
Behind me.
You got one hand too?
Yeah.
Pretty sure we're gonna try breaching the other door.
Are we positive this door right here just didn't close itself? On the right?
What door?
There's a door to the right that they can get in.
He's got a flashlight, it's really dark.
It is really dark.
I didn't
Brandon,
think there
come
was a
here.
door.
Oh, you got it?
I don't got it.
Oh.
Your light
I
didn't
got
work?
one.
I'll be your flashlight. Where's the pressure?
Just push it right there. Teamwork. Well, there wasn't another.
There is a door.
There was a door?
Yes. I don't know if it's closed.
Someone put weird security on the. Make sure no one's coming down the hall.
There's a door that way, I think. Is it closed?
To the right?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah.
It has a caution tape.
I'm just making sure.
No, there's no caution tape.
Because they can get in from there.
Did they go outside?
Yeah.
Oh crap. Killing the light. Oh my gosh.
We totally missed this.
Yeah.
Open that door. All the way. Dude, this sketch is gonna take a fucking hour by itself.
Is that door closed for sure?
No, it's open.
They can get in that way.
Has somebody already started doing the sketch?
Yeah. Yeah, so y'all getting shot at. Quick.
Okay.
Okay, dude. At least have security on this side.
Because you got a hand, just take that door. And he got this door.
We'll be able to hear that door. You closed it.
Okay.
No.
I need your light.
You don't need your
Light.
Hey, Brandon. Hey, guys, wait up. No, stay there. And y'all can use this,
Riley, see something.
the flashlight.
Okay, Riley, what is it?
Oh, there you go here. Turn here, go over there.
Chalkboard.
And then when